Dhriti Jain from S.E.International School, Grade 3. Today I will tell you about property of salt. I am having 2 glasses of pure water, salt and ice cube. So we will add little salt in 1 glass. Let's mix it well. Now let's put same size of ice cube. Let's wait for 1 minute and observe the size of the ice cube. Now let us remove the ice cube. What can we see? The size of the ice cube in pure water has become small. And size of the ice cube in salt water is bigger than pure water. This is because the salt reduces the freezing point of the water. That's why the ice cube in salt water melted slowly. Thank you.